I'm walking in Summit Field and I see a beautiful buck. It's pouring down rain. It's a wet buck. Oh, there's another one. There's two bucks. There they go, running off. There's the younger buck. Here comes the older buck. I found an eastern box turtle out enjoying the rain. Still raining. This is the pond next to the rustic pavilion. Sometimes I enjoy walking in the rain. It's so calm and peaceful. I'm on a dark, cloudy Wednesday morning hike at Iroquois Park. It rained last night. It sounds like it's sprinkling now, but I think that's just the water dropping off the leaves. I hope. I think there's still a chance of rain. I enjoy listening to the birds. I think the best chance of rain is from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, and it's about 20 till 8 now. I've got my umbrella ready. Getting ready to cross this gully and hike up that hill. I haven't found any deer yet. It's still pretty dark and cloudy. I hear a cardinal, but I don't see it. It's up in one of those trees. It's too dark to be getting any good pictures or video. If I get through this hike without getting rained on, it'll be a miracle. I see a deer up there. It's a buck, but it's in a very dark spot. And it's starting to rain. No miracle today. He's looking back at me. That buck took off up there and I don't see him. See that buck again. It's not quite as dark there. He found something good to eat. I was hiking up this hill and I see him in front of me. Nice taking off. This is where I last saw that buck. I think he crossed that gully and he's over in that area. I don't see him. And I'm not going to go looking for him. I'm going to hike off in this direction. I think this is a raccoon. I just found it on the ground. I'm hiking down another hill. I think it stopped raining, but I can still hear the water dripping on the leaves. I'm hiking up another hill. This might be some fur off of that raccoon. Can't believe it, I found that buck bedded down up here. I think it's the same one. I'm not going to get any closer than this. He's watching me. He's pretty far away. I'll watch him from a distance. I think he's ready to take a nap. He's not chewing his cud. Those eyelids are getting heavy. I'm going to take off now. If that was the same buck I saw earlier, I was very lucky to find him again. I'm hiking the high ground. I'm finished hiking the high ground. I'm on my way down another hill. I just crossed that gully and I'm on my way up another hill. I'm coming from way down there. I just passed Rita's Point. I decided to go ahead and hike up to Summit Field. I see a pileated woodpecker on the side of that tree, close to the bottom. I wish it wasn't so dark in that area. I think there's two of them, but I only see this one. There's the other one. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. A beautiful pileated woodpecker. It found something to eat. It's been there for a while. There's another one flying around. I don't know how long this woodpecker's going to stay here. I'm going to take off. I was trying to find the other woodpecker. I saw it fly off. That was pretty neat, finding those two pileated woodpeckers. I saw a hummingbird over there. But I can't find it now. The musk thistle is looking good. This is where that little hummingbird was. I don't see it anywhere. Now I'm on my way to Summit Field. That's where I'm coming from. I'm on Top Hill Road, getting ready to piddle around in Summit Field for a little bit. What is that little bird up there? It's so dark it's hard to tell. I'm not going to spend much time in Summit Field. I'm going to check out this pond that's next to the rustic pavilion. Nothing going on here. I'm passing the Monarch Way Station and Pollinator Garden. I'll be glad when it warms up and the sun is out and we start seeing a lot of butterflies up here. Look at that milkweed. It's ready for the butterflies and the bees and the hummingbirds. Now it's raining again. I'm leaving Summit Field. I'm passing through Sullivan Grove. Now I'm on my way to the North Overlook. I'm going to take the stone steps down to the bottom. This is a wet bench. I was going to take a little break. I'm at the North Overlook. It's a little foggy this morning. I'm on my way down to the bottom. I'm hiking on the Corbly Trail. I'm leaving the Corbly Trail. I'm going to cut through this area to get down to my car. I made it down to Rundle Road, and I can see the golf course parking lot over there where I'm parked. It is time for this old man to go home.